Okay, so yes, this is how I would look like now. I am now a part of the squad. I don't know what to call it. It's just weird. Oh my god, I'm having hiccups. Yes, it's all of the big family of the beautiful people with these eyes. Yes, and this hair because we're all Mocha fans and it's beautiful. This is amazing. Also, I just realized that we have no brothers. Oh my god, I can't talk. These freaking hiccups. I even drank water. This is not saving me. Anyways, bye. We have brothers. Get us the recording cut off, but get us brothers. That's what I'm gonna say. Okay.